Windows always comes with a recycle bin icon on the desktop, but you can hide it to reduce clutter. And if you're also looking for a way on how you can hide or delete the recycle bin icon in Windows 11, make sure to keep watching on this video. Now it is easy to remove the recycle bin icon from your desktop in Windows 11, but it would take a few clicks to find the option. To locate it, open the settings, and then navigate to Personalization, and select Themes. Now in Theme Settings, click Desktop Icon Settings, uncheck the Recycle Bin option, and click OK to apply the changes. You can also right-click the Windows 11 desktop, then select Personalization, and then click Themes in the window that appears. Now in Theme Settings, click Desktop Icon Settings, uncheck the Recycle Bin option, and click OK to apply the changes. So that's how you can simply hide or delete the Recycle Bin icon from your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.